Hello, it's me on Toothless Tesla. I'm just leaving the superchargers at Cyberport, and here there are 6 stalls with a maximum 119 kilowatts. All were fully occupied with about 5 or 6 more Teslas waiting in the queue, so obviously I didn't get to charge. To my left is Le Méridien Cyberport, which is a 5-star hotel from the Marriott Group. Oh, and there's a Model X parked outside. I get that a lot in Hong Kong. It's annoying when other people do not reciprocate any manners or common decency. This guy with double Hong Kong and China license plates is a stereotypical driver around these parts who have more money than manners. They are the ones that typically are bad drivers who lack any courtesy on the roads, and I believe also in their lives. Sorry, I'm ranting a bit here, but in general, these drivers with double license plates have very poor manners. You can see, waiting here at the lights now for over a minute, that obnoxious driver still has not reached me. From where he was, he can only drive forward. I suspect he's picked up his wife, or perhaps a mistress, and then pulled a Yui across the double solid lines to go off in the opposite direction. Again, this is quite typical of that type of driver who have double license plates. I guarantee that I will be posting more videos about this type of driver in future, so that's just a warning. They are simply bad news, and other drivers in Hong Kong need to be wary of them. Anyway, enough about those bad drivers. This is Cyberport, which was conceived to be the Silicon Valley of Hong Kong. But it's all fake. In reality, it is a luxurious residential property project that has made billions for the business cronies who gained preferential treatment from the Hong Kong government. The evidence is here for all to see. Anyone can see that Cyberport is basically a luxury residential housing project, and not the fantastic IT hub that it was originally touted to be when they hoodwinked Hong Kong people about Cyberport being a viable and successful Silicon Valley project. It's basically a white elephant. So that's my Tesla driving for today. And also, I hope you learned a little bit about Hong Kong. Please add comments if you wish, and thank you for watching.